ready to level up your Fivem experience by tracking every minute spent building, playing, or managing your server. Let's dive into setting up Clockify with Fivem in just a few easy steps. First, if you don't already have one, head over to Clockify and create a free Clockify account. It's super simple and takes only a minute. Now that you're in Clockify, create a new project specifically for your Fivem activities. This could be Fivem server development, Fivem roleplay, or any other category that makes sense for you. Click the New Project button, give your project a name, and choose a color to easily identify it in your timesheets. Next, think about how you want to track your time. You can manually enter time entries, or you can use Clockify's timer feature for real-time tracking to manually enter time. Click the Add Time button, select your Fivem project, add a description of the task you performed, and then enter the start and end times. For real-time tracking, just select your Fivem project, type a brief description of what you're doing, and hit the play button to start the timer. When you're finished, click the stop button, and Clockify automatically records the duration. Now, the key to truly integrating this with Fivem is your own workflow, as there isn't a direct plugin. Integrate this by starting, stopping a timer, or writing an entry when you start, stop playing Fivem, or start, stop developing for Fivem. That's it. By consistently tracking your time, you'll gain valuable insights into how you spend your time in the Fivem world. Subscribe for more helpful guides and happy tracking.